And now stall the left poi back. And stall your right poi back. Stall your left poi front. Stall your right poi front. So they're both back in overhand now. Okay, they're both overhand. Let's try it again. Let's do a right stall back to underhand. A left stall back to underhand. A right stall forward to overhand. A left stall forward to overhand. Now a left stall back to underhand. A right stall back to underhand. A left stall front to overhand. A right stall front to overhand. Okay, now a left stall back. Now they're in opposite direction. Your left is underhand, your right is overhand. Now we're going to try something I don't think we've done before. We're going to try and stall them both. Your left will stall forward, your right will stall backward. So you're here like this, the left is underhand. It's going to go where it naturally wants to stall forward, while your right one stalls backward like that. Then your left one will come up in overhand, and your right one will come up in underhand. So left is underhand, right is overhand, left stalls forward, right stalls back, they both change direction. If you're struggling with actually doing it as a stall, let's do it as stops. Your left is underhand, your right is overhand. And what I want you to do is just stretch both arms out and wait until the poi stops swinging. And then from there, bring them down in the opposite direction. And then we're going to do the same thing this way. Stall your right one forward, your left one back, wait for them to stop, and then bring them back into right overhand, left underhand. And stall, stretch the arms, wait for them to stop, and then bring them back into opposite direction. And then stretch the arms, let them stall, bring them back into the other opposite direction. And let them stall again, stretch the arms, wait for them to stop, change the direction, and then one more time, stall the right one forward, left one back, and come into right overhand, left underhand. Okay, and then one more time, stall the right one back. So now they should both be in underhand. So they're both underhand here. Step your left foot forward. Now we're going to turn to the right into clockwise, chasing the sun. And then bring it up into the together time clockwise pinwheel. And then come back down into the chasing the sun. And then back up to the pinwheel. Now split the time. And now go back to together time and back into the chasing the sun. Now this third time when we go up, what I want you to do is make it big and together time like this. Big, and big, and big, and then back to small, and then back to chasing the sun. And then the fourth time we go up, we're going to bring it up into split time, and then go into split time big, where the left then the right extend, left then right extend, left then right extend. And if it didn't work for you, that's okay. Come back into small, then go back into together time, then go back into chasing the sun. And then what we're going to do is turn to the right from the top into overhand weave. And then push your right foot forward when the right hand's on top, turn left to underhand weave. So we were here in the split time pinwheel. We had in theory gone big. And then we were going to turn to the right and come into the overhand weave here on the right hand side. We're in the overhand weave, you're facing to the right. And then when the right hand's on top, turn to the left to underhand weave. So you turn 180 degrees, come all the way around into your underhand. And then when your left hand's on bottom, turn right to overhand. And then when your right hand's on top, turn left to underhand. And then when your left hand's on bottom, turn right to overhand. And then turn left to underhand, turn right to overhand. We're going back and forth between overhand and underhand weave with the overhand on the right and underhand on the left. Overhand on the right, underhand on the left, overhand on the right, underhand on the left, and last set, overhand on the right, underhand on the left. Now from underhand, turn right 90 degrees, come up into that pinwheel, and then I want you to turn to the right, get it into together time. We're going to turn to the right, open the legs, come down between the legs and stall. So you're going to actually stop your poi, and then you're going to change direction. You're here in your pinwheel. You go into together time. Then you're going to turn to the right, and as you turn to the right, pivot on your right foot. Step your left foot so that they're side by side, And as your hands are coming down, you're going to let them come between your legs to change direction and come up into underhand weave. Let's do it again. So you're here. Let's do together time pinwheel. You're going to pivot on your right foot, turn right, bring your left foot next to your right foot, spread your feet, and come down into between your legs, and then come up into underhand weave. Okay, let's do that again. We'll do it like 3 more times so you can get it in your body. We are here in clockwise pinwheel together time, and we're going to pivot on the right foot, step the right foot toward me as you turn, stall between the legs, and come out into underhand weave, facing the side. Open it up, stall forward, bring them both up into the clockwise pinwheel. Let's do it again. So we're together time. We're going to pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot on the right, step your left, open the legs, come up into underhand weave facing the right. And now open it up to circles, stall both of them forward, and then come back up into that pinwheel. And 5, 6, 7, and turn on the right foot, separate the legs, stall through the legs, and come out into underhand weave on the right side. And then one more time, open up the weave, stall both point forward. You're in overhand, step your right foot forward or step your left foot back so they're offset like this in your T stance. Sweep back, come up to the pinwheel, together time, and then we're going to turn last time, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, turn right, separate the legs, stall between, come into underhand weave. Now we're going to open up the weave into circles, step your left foot back, and then counterclockwise chasing the sun. And chase the sun, and chase the sun.